Hey there! Welcome to our channel. If you're into photo and video editing, you know how important it is to have the right tools. Whether you're a professional or just starting out, having a powerful and efficient tablet can make all the difference in bringing your creative vision to life. Today, I'm going to show you the top 5 best tablets for photo and video editing on the market. From stunning displays to lightning-fast processors, these tablets are designed to elevate your editing game and help you create jaw-dropping content. So if you're looking to upgrade your editing setup or find the perfect device for your creative needs, stick around. Check the link in the description below to find out more about these incredible tablets. Number 5. Wacom One HD Creative Pen Display stands out with its impressive 13.3-inch high-definition screen, offering a canvas large enough for intricate designs and detailed editing while remaining compact and portable. The display provides a broad color gamut, ensuring your digital creations are rendered with exceptional clarity and vibrancy. Its compatibility with Mac, PC, and Chromebook makes it a versatile tool, adaptable to various systems and software environments. The Wacom One is particularly valued for its intuitive pen technology, which supports over 4,000 levels of pressure sensitivity, allowing for precise control and nuanced strokes. The pen's customizable button is a significant time saver, enabling users to set shortcuts for frequently used commands, thereby streamlining the creative workflow and enhancing efficiency. The tablet's responsive screen and minimal parallax make drawing and editing feel natural and fluid, closely mimicking traditional art methods while leveraging digital advantages. Wacom's commitment to quality is evident in the Wacom One's robust build and reliable performance, reflecting the company's 40 years of expertise in the pen display market. Whether used for detailed photo retouching, video editing, or artistic creation, the Wacom One adapts to all creative needs with ease. Its ability to integrate seamlessly into any existing setup and its support for all major creative software ensure that it remains a top choice for those seeking a high-quality, versatile drawing tablet for photo and video editing. Number 4. Zonko newest 2-in-1 tablet offers a seamless blend of power and convenience, making it a top contender for anyone looking for the best tablet for photo and video editing. With its generous 128GB internal storage, expandable up to 1TB, you'll have more than enough space to store high-resolution images, video clips, editing software, and more without worrying about running out of room. The 10.1-inch HD touchscreen delivers stunning clarity and vibrant colors, ideal for detailed editing work. Its 13MP dual camera setup allows for capturing high-quality photos and videos, making it a versatile tool for both content creation and consumption. Powered by an efficient 2.0 GHz T610 octa-core processor, this tablet handles demanding apps and multitasking with ease, ensuring smooth transitions between editing tasks. Running on the latest Android 12 OS, the Zonko tablet is optimized for productivity, providing a user-friendly interface and access to a wide range of apps. Connectivity is also a major strength, with dual-band 2.4G and 5G Wi-Fi for fast, reliable internet access, and Bluetooth 5.0 for seamless pairing with peripherals. The tablet comes with a complete set of accessories, including a wireless keyboard, mouse, touch pen, and a protective case, turning it into a portable workstation that's perfect for editing on the go. Whether you're retouching photos, editing videos, or attending Zoom meetings, the Zonko tablet's combination of speed, storage, and functionality makes it an ideal tool for creative professionals or anyone in need of a reliable, high-performance tablet for media editing. Number 3. Facile Tablet Android 13 is a powerhouse 2-in-1 device designed to offer versatility and performance, making it ideal for tasks like photo and video editing. With the latest Android 13 OS and a 2.0 GHz octa-core processor, this tablet provides lightning-fast app downloads, smoother multitasking, and enhanced gaming performance, thanks to its GMS certification. It features 14GB RAM, 8GB of built-in RAM plus 6GB of extended memory, alongside 128GB ROM storage, expandable up to 1TB via a TF card, giving users ample space for large files like high-resolution photos, videos, and editing software such as Adobe Lightroom or Photoshop Express. The 10-inch HD IPS display offers vibrant colors and crisp clarity, ensuring you can see fine details and accurate colors in your editing projects. The tablet supports 5G Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0, allowing faster wireless file transfers and stable connectivity whether you're at home or working remotely. Equipped with a 5MP rear and 8MP front camera, the device captures depth and detail for quick snapshots or video calls, perfect for content creators who need quality on-the-go visuals. Its large 8,000 mAh battery ensures that you can edit videos and photos for long hours without worrying about recharging, while its energy-saving technology optimizes battery usage. The package includes a keyboard and mouse, making it a complete workstation for productivity. With an elegant black design, this tablet strikes the balance between style and functionality, delivering an immersive visual and audio experience, supported by 2.5D IPS technology for superior image quality. Whether you're editing high-resolution images or rendering videos, this tablet meets the needs of professionals seeking a portable and robust solution. The Facetl brand also offers excellent customer support, ensuring a reliable and satisfying user experience. Number 2. Apple iPad 9th generation is an ideal choice for anyone seeking a powerful, versatile tablet for photo and video editing. Powered by the A13 Bionic chip, it delivers impressive performance, ensuring smooth multitasking and excellent graphics capabilities. The 10.2-inch Retina display is a standout feature, offering stunning detail and vibrant colors, making it perfect for editing high-resolution images and videos with precision. Plus, the True Tone technology adjusts the display's color temperature, ensuring optimal viewing in any lighting condition. The 64GB storage option gives you ample space for your projects, while the fast Wi-Fi connectivity ensures seamless uploads and downloads when working on cloud-based tasks. The 12MP ultra-wide front camera with center stage makes video conferencing and recording videos a breeze, while the 8MP back camera is perfect for capturing HD photos and scanning documents. The iPad OS further enhances your productivity with intuitive multitasking capabilities and the ability to run multiple apps simultaneously. Pair it with the Apple Pencil, 1st Gen, for a fluid note-taking and drawing experience, perfect for creatives. The Touch ID feature adds a layer of security, enabling easy access and secure payments via Apple Pay. With all-day battery life, you can stay productive without worrying about recharging during long editing sessions. Whether you are working on complex video projects or editing high-quality photos, the Apple iPad 9th generation is a reliable and affordable solution, especially when paired with the smart keyboard for enhanced functionality. Its lightweight, sleek design makes it convenient to carry wherever you go, while the powerful hardware ensures you get the most out of your creative tasks. Number 1. Aoque latest tablet 11-inch Android 13 offers a feature-packed experience designed for versatility and performance, making it a strong contender in the best tablets for photo and video editing category. Equipped with a stunning 11-inch 2K FHD in-cell display boasting a resolution of 2000 by 1200, it delivers vivid colors and sharp details, perfect for creative tasks like video editing and photo retouching. The 16GB RAM, 8GB physical plus 8GB virtual, combined with 256GB ROM and expandable storage up to 1TB provides ample space for large files, ensuring smooth multitasking and file management. Powered by the MediaTek MT8183 octa-core processor, with a blend of high-performance ARM Cortex-A73 and efficient Cortex-A53 cores, this tablet handles demanding applications with ease. The Mali G72 GPU ensures seamless graphics rendering, enhancing video editing tasks. The tablet's 8,600 mAh battery allows for extended hours of creative work without frequent charging, while the quad speakers offer immersive sound quality for video playback or editing. Running on Android 13, it features enhanced privacy settings and an intuitive UI, offering a user-friendly interface that boosts productivity. The tablet supports dual-band Wi-Fi, 5G per 2.4G, for fast, stable internet access, ideal for cloud-based projects and media uploads. With a 13MP triple camera setup, featuring a 5MP front camera, 13MP main camera, and 2MP macro camera, it offers great flexibility for capturing high-quality images and videos directly on the tablet. Additionally, it supports Bluetooth 5.0 and GPS for added functionality, and comes with a sleek, lightweight metal body for portability. This makes the Aoque X800 an excellent choice for content creators and editors on the go. In conclusion, whether you're a professional photographer, videographer, or just a creative enthusiast, the right tablet can make a huge difference in your photo and video editing workflow. From stunning displays to powerful processors, each tablet on this list has unique features to suit your editing needs. Be sure to choose the one that fits your budget and editing style. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts or questions. And make sure to share this video for more updates on the latest tech. Stay tuned for more exciting content.